Aries, this is your reading for the month of May. We are going to get messages from your person and let's see what do we have here. This reading is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Let's see. Let's see what do we have here. You surprise me sometimes and I do like surprises, baby. Let me go. Don't ignore me. Sweetheart, will you marry me? We have Scorpio here. I know you are obsessed with me. This person is arrogant, Aries. I'm also getting, they could be feeling that you are very unpredictable. I feel you are dealing with someone who is very disciplined. Also, they are very practical and someone who likes to be in a control. Like they are someone who strategize and plan about the future, but with you, they felt helpless because you are very unpredictable and I feel they cannot handle that. And I'm not getting any negative vibe from your energy that you are unpredictable in a bad way. I feel you do what you want and you like to be in a present. On the other hand, this person likes to feel safe when it comes to their future. That's the vibe I'm getting here from this person. And I'm also getting they want to let go of this connection. If this person has walked away from you or if they have tried to walk away from this relationship, energetically they are still connected with you, Aries. I'm also getting they are feeling ignored by you. At the same time, they are very arrogant that you are obsessed with them. I'm also getting for very some of you that this person could have accused you or insulted you, that you are very dependent on them emotionally, that you think about them 24/7 but they have other stuff to do. That's what I'm getting here. But for now, I feel they do want to have something real with you. For some of you, it could be possible that you guys wanted to marry this person or be in a relationship with them, but they never confessed their true feelings to you. I'm also getting you could be dealing with someone who is very immature when it comes to emotions, love. Like they cannot express how they truly feel. They hold themselves back. They keep a lot of feelings and stuff to themselves. And this is the main reason that they messed up. We have April here. And you could be dealing with an Aquarius or you could be having Aquarius in your chart. This person could be someone who thinks a lot, who could be a little harsh and practical, but who thinks a lot. I'm getting overthinking from their side, so it could be possible that was one of the reasons that they created this mess here. I'm healing and they could be acting very detached from you at this time. They are not talking, I feel. That's for some of you because they are feeling ignored. But the thing is, they are ignoring you. They are acting very detached. Now when you are walking away or you are not chasing them anymore, they are feeling ignored by you. So this person is really arrogant, Aries. I'm also getting they are aware that they have hurt you. Here we have don't cry because of me, don't cry for me, don't cry. So they are aware that they have hurt you. Maybe they wanted things to be casual for someone specific. I'm getting they could have slept with you but they didn't offer you a real deal. On the other hand, they knew that you are very emotional when it comes to physical intimacy and love. That's for very some of you. For others of you, I'm getting they have a lot of fire for you and yes, they have a lot of passion for you, attraction for you. They want to be with you physically. I'm never going to come back to you. But when they think about the situation practically, they feel that they should just walk away and they should not get back into this relationship with you. We have 10 days here. You could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, or it could be Pisces as well. We have, I like the way you feel about me. Exactly, you fed their ego, Aries, and this person is arrogant, really arrogant. You broke my trust, but you broke their trust because they were expecting you to chase them, to cry over them every time. But now you have moved on, I feel, or you are just done with them. You are done with the mind games. You are done with the waiting. For someone specific, I'm getting they could have dragged this relationship for 10 months, yet they wasted your time and didn't offer you anything real. I'm not the one for you. Exactly, that's what they said. I feel that's for most of you, that this person made you feel rejected, or they just sneaked away from your life giving this excuse. They could have told you that you are better than this person or you deserve better, but the thing is, they were not able to handle a responsibility of a relationship and they just sneaked away from your life. Embrace the pain. They have hurt you and they just walked away, leaving you out in a cold. I'm afraid you don't miss me, because they have hurt you so much. They are now feeling that you don't miss them anymore. You are inseparable. But they think about you a lot. They think about you 24/7. For someone specific, I'm getting this person. If you are aware that they are very, very attracted towards you, if they are very obsessed with you physically, they want you and they masturbate thinking about you. I'm ready. And now they are ready to be with you because they cannot afford to lose you. But they have lost you, I feel. Yes, they are jealous of your success. I'm jealous of your success here. So yes, they are jealous that you have other people around you, that you are getting attention. For some of you, I'm getting you could be doing great when it comes to your work. You are stable financially, and also you know that what you deserve. At present, I feel you know your value and you are not going to settle for less. They know it and they are jealous that why you are happy without him. We have Aries, so you could be dealing with another Aries. I'm also getting some of you could be cross watchers, and for most of you, I'm getting you are heavily on their energy. They are thinking about you a lot. They are stuck to you, and even if when they are working or whatever they are doing, they think about you, Aries. We have I often think of you. Wonder do I ever crossed your mind? They have no hope that you even think about them now. So it could be possible that you guys are in separation for so long, or you just cut this person off from your life and you don't want them anymore. We have Be Mine here. Yes, they want to be with you and they don't want to choose someone else over them. I'm also getting they are very possessive of you, Aries. They like you, they like your style. They could be looking at your pictures. Do I love you? Regardless, it hurts so much. Still, they are unsure about their feelings. They do care about you. They are aware that they have passion for you. They have attraction for you and bring me pleasure. I have my eyes on you. I just said they could be looking at your pictures. They are stalking you and they have their eyes on you. I realized they were just using me. I'm also getting they could have chosen someone else over you, but that's for very some of you. Or they listen to their family, they let other people interfere in this connection. I'm getting interference of friends here. Now they know your value, they know your worth. You were a great lesson and you made them learn something about their own personality, I feel, Aries. We have 5 months here. So 5 months, 10 days could be significant here. Okay, so here I have I'm scared of relationships. They are holding a grudge against you that you didn't wait for them. You didn't stop and try to understand why they are afraid of a relationship or why they are not able to give you commitment, because the real reason is this person is afraid of a relationship. They are afraid to get hurt in a relationship. I'm also getting they could be having some difficult past. With this card, I feel someone in their past has used them, or they always met such people who hurt them or betrayed them, so they don't believe, I feel, in relationships. So they just wanted to have something casual with you. They didn't want to fall for you, but they did, I feel, because now they are obsessed with you. They are thinking about you a lot. Earlier, when you guys were talking, when you guys were together, they were arrogant that you are very dependent on them emotionally, and they are not. But now I feel tables have turned. You are able to move on from this person, but they are not. They are still stuck to you. How can you not see that I do care about you? So now they want you to understand that they did care about you and they still care about you. We have Virgo here. Could be dealing with a Virgo. I'm also getting they could have ghosted you and things ended between you guys. You could have cried for this person and they were aware of it, Aries, that you are going to be very hurt. Still, they ghosted you, they blocked you, I feel. Someone here has deleted a contact. It could be you or this person. You are dangerous. They did that because they were unable to handle this intensity of this relationship. I'm also getting like they were not ready for a relationship, and still they couldn't stop themselves from talking to you or getting close to you. I felt used, and now they are feeling used. But for some of you, I feel this is your energy, that you felt used and that's why you decided to walk away. I'm worried, and now they are worried that you could be feeling used by them. They want to give you clarification, and it does matter to me. They want to say that it does matter to them. They were not playing you, they were just afraid of a relationship. My family will not accept our relationship. So yes, I did mention that. For some of you, I'm getting an interference of family and friends here. So it could be the reason. Maybe they did not share that with you. Exactly, you are too good for me. So you could be very stable financially, or there could be a lot of difference between you guys when it comes to your lifestyle or traditional values. That could be the reason, but it was on their mind that their family is not going to accept this relationship. I feel they didn't even talk to their parents or someone from their family, but it was on their mind, so they were scared. They didn't want to invest in this connection, to be very honest, but now when you have gone, they have realized your value, and in this whole process, even though they wanted to keep things casual between you guys, they fell for you, and now they want you back in their life. They want to have something real with you. They are serious for you now. Still, a part of them is unsure because they have no idea why they are feeling obsessed with you, why they are thinking about you a lot. They feel that you are not here. This is why they are feeling this pull. They are very attracted towards you. That's why they feel this pull. But the thing is, they have no idea whether they are still in love with you or not. So this is up to you whether to accept this person back in your life, Aries, or not. For some of you, I feel that you guys have moved on, or you are not ready to settle for less. This connection is real. Yes, it could be your soulmate you are dealing with. I'm also getting the connection is real and mutual. It was from both sides. If they have denied that they did not have feelings for you, no, they did feel the connection and they are crying over you now. It's time to go within. But they have ghosted you, and now you are not interested in talking to them. I feel you could have blocked this person. That's for some of you. A chance meeting, but they are going to meet you. They are going to, exactly, they are obsessed with you. They were arrogant, that you were very dependent on them emotionally, that you think about them a lot. Now they are obsessed with you. They think about you a lot and they want you. So exactly, they are going to meet you, and they are going to let you know that they are waiting for you. They want you to be with them again. We have fear. They were afraid of a relationship. I feel they are going to say that now. They are going to share that with you. Family, and family was the issue. They were afraid of a family. For very some of you, this person to be married and even having a family, kids. We have surprise here, but they are going to meet you, and this is going to be very surprising for you. For some of you, I'm getting, if you guys are in a long distance relationship with this person, they are going to approach you. For someone specific, I'm getting they are going to travel towards you, like you are going to be surprised. We have new beginnings here and take a break. Yes, it was a break between you guys, but now you are going to meet them. New beginnings are here, Aries. So if you want this person, they are coming. At the bottom we have commitment. Beautiful energy. They are going to offer you commitment now. Give me one message for Aries, Spirit. Thank you. Thank you. A new purchase here. So they could be buying a new car or a new property. It could be your energy as well. Just take as it resonates. For someone specific, I'm getting if they are going to approach you and if they are going to propose you for marriage, they will try to find a new home near your place or wherever you want. Like they are going to discuss that with you, but that's a very specific message for someone. I'm getting another specific message that they are going to meet you and they will show you their new car or something. Yes, I'm also getting if you were dealing with a married person, that person is walking away from a marriage. I'm also getting they didn't want to be in a codependent relationship and they were trying to control the situation, but now when they are aware that they have feelings for you, that they cannot stay away from you, they are ready to marry you. I feel we have wedding here. So yes, There's a chance they are going to approach you. Wedding again, like I cannot believe it. This card wants to come out. So here with this card, sweetheart, will you marry me, and this wedding card, definitely I'm getting a proposal here for you. For some of you this could be your husband. For others of you I'm getting, if this person is already married with someone else, I feel they are walking away, Aries. So just take as it resonates. And looking at your pictures, so yes, they are looking at your pictures and they are going to reach out, they are going to propose you, I feel. I'm also getting at present they could be very focused on their money, their work, their finances, and now when they feel that they can propose you, like they can settle down with you, I feel now they are going to approach you because they were working on their finances. They were having some money issues in a past, I feel, but now they have worked on it. Just take as it resonates. So that's all I have for you. I really hope it helped, Aries. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.